guys, thanks for tuning in today. Today we're talking all about Mommy Knows Best ready-to-eat lactation cookies. Now you're probably familiar with our lactation cookie mixes, but we know a lot of you guys are on the go, running around, and hey, some of us just don't like baking. So we made ready-to-eat cookies so you can enjoy that home-cooked deliciousness without the worry of having to make it on your own. So here we have 4 of our flavors, but we're always coming out with new flavors, so definitely check our website and our social media. And all of our ready-to-eat lactation cookies, just like our mixes, have 3 very key ingredients that are traditionally used to help boost mom's milk supply. That's rolled oats, flaxseed, and brewer's yeast. So you'll still get the same amazing benefits that you do in the mixes. Not only are these loaded with nutrients to help with your breast milk supply, but it also has tons of other vitamins and nutrients as well, including vitamin B1, B2, and B6, folic acid, iron, and 8 grams of protein per cookie. Okay, so I want to actually open up the box and show you the cookie because these aren't small cookies. You actually get like this amazing sized cookie. So here is our oatmeal chocolate chip, and when you open it up, you got a huge cookie. Tastes delicious, tastes home baked. I know some moms like to put it in the microwave for a couple seconds for that extra warm, gooey flavor. So whatever you like there. So this is our original chocolate chip mix. We also have white chocolate chip. We have chocolate salted caramel, and we have one of my favorites is the chocolate rainbow candy. It's so good. So these are our current flavors we have out, but like I said, we're always coming out with new ready-to-eat flavors. So check our social medias for our new flavors coming out. All of our flavors are available at mommyknowsbest.com and Amazon. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I hope you are able to try a new Mommy Knows Best ready-to-eat cookie very soon.